Hi all, in this video we'll try to understand the structure of Ashwini nakshatra. So Ashwini nakshatra is a Ketu nakshatra. For every planet there are 3 nakshatras. Similarly for Ketu also there are 3 nakshatras. One is the Ashwini nakshatra, another one is the Magha nakshatra, and the third one is the Mula nakshatra. So every Ketu nakshatra starts in a fiery sign, like Ashwini starts in Aries, Magha starts in Leo, and Mula starts in Sagittarius. So Ketu basically is the starting energy of any kind of fiery thing, right? Any kind of fiery sign energy starts with Ketu's energy. That is the fundamental thing. So Ashwini varies from 0 degrees Aries to 13 degree 20 minutes of Aries. So Ashwini is actually the beginning of everything because it is the starting nakshatra. So as it is a starting nakshatra, you can clearly perceive the energy of beginning, right? So because let us say there are so many people, but one person always comes at first. So that person is actually can make the symbol of being first, right? Symbol of being first. So being first is actually the energy here. So Ashwini is the beginning of whole nakshatra system. So Ashwini is the beginning of everything. It's the beginning of nakshatra system. So it's beginning of everything in Vedic astrology. So especially if you consider the Ketu's energies, right? Ketu's energy, the initiation is Ashwini, and then the flowering thing is of Magha, and the fruit is Mula, right? So here Ashwini, the beginning of everything, especially the Ketu's energies, is represented in the sky by 2 bright stars in the sign of Aries. It mainly consists of two stars. Every nakshatra consists of some number of stars. So Ashwini also consists of some number of stars. Here Ashwini nakshatra consists of 2 stars, right? It consists of 2 stars. So the ancient Vedic seers saw this particular the whole sign Aries itself as forming a horse's head, right? So Aries itself is a kind of horse's head. It basically represents head, Aries, because Aries is the beginning of the whole zodiac signs, right? Beginning of all the zodiac signs. So Aries is the beginning. In that also Ashwini is the very beginning, right? So if you understand, Aries energy is something like a horse's head, right? It's like it's a very purest form of a starting energy. So Aries, that represents a horse's head, and this particular 2 stars which are present, the 2 stars which are present in the Ashwini nakshatra, right? Those 2 stars also something like they are like the very beginning of the horse's head, you can understand, right? So in the modern astronomy, these 2 stars are known as Alpha Arietis and Beta Arietis. So those are the names given to the 2 stars. So Ashwini nakshatra basically consists of 2 stars, right? The 2 stars are Alpha Arietis and Beta Arietis, and Alpha Arietis is slightly brighter with a visual magnitude of 2.02, while Beta Arietis has a visual magnitude of 2.66. So visual magnitude and brightness are inversely related. Means if visual magnitude is higher, then automatically the brightness is lower. If visual magnitude is lower, then brightness is higher. So if you check here, the 2 stars Alpha Arietis and Beta Arietis, these 2 are the stars present in the Ashwini nakshatra. So in this also Alpha Eris has a visual magnitude of 2.02 and it has a very good brightness. So these relatively bright stars lie very close to the planetary ecliptic, right? So right below the bright constellation of Andromeda. So just right below the Andromeda, you can clearly see these two bright stars, right? And it's very easy to locate in the night sky, especially when you are in the area of countryside where there are no much lights present on the earth. So very much nearer to Andromeda, just right below Andromeda, you can clearly observe the two bright stars, and these two bright stars form what is called as Ashwini nakshatra. So these two bright stars, basically they are representing the energy of beginning. So if you understand the structure of Ashwini nakshatra, it clearly consists of two stars, Alpha Eris and Beta Eris. In that, Alpha Eris has lower visual magnitude, because of that it has higher brightness. So this is the main energy of Ashwini nakshatra here, that is the structure of Ashwini nakshatra. Thanks for watching this video.